Hi everybody, this is a white noise machine that comes with a user manual, and this piece of paper here shows you what each of these symbols that are on here mean. On the back tells me how to set the time, how to set alarm 1 and alarm 2. You have your power adapter. I'm going to plug this in. And plug that into the back of the machine. To set the time, I hold down this right here.
Set clock hours.
It tells me to set the clock hour. I can increase, I can decrease, or if I wanted to, I can just hold this and it'll go by itself. When I get to the hour that I want, I press this again.
Set clock minute.
And now it tells me to set the clock minute. Increase, decrease, and again, you can hold it down. When I'm satisfied, I press the button again.
Setup completed.
And now I am done. And that is how you set the time. Turn on the machine, press this button right here. I can increase the volume, decrease the volume. I can also hold it down. If I want to go to the next sound, I can also go to the previous sound. If I want to set the timer, I press this right here.
15 minutes timing.
I press it again
Timing.
for 30 minutes. Press again.
60 minutes timing. 90 minutes timing. 120 minutes timing. Timing canceled.
So there you have how to set the timer. To set alarm 1 or alarm 2, one of the alarms, I just hold that particular one down. So if I want to set the alarm,
Set alarm hours.
and I can set it to say 2. When I get to the hour that I want, I move to the next one by pressing the symbol.
Set alarm minutes.
And now I can set the minute. I can increase, I can decrease, or I can just hold it. When I get to what I want,
Set alarm ringtone.
I can pick the ringtone I want,
Setup completed.
and then I am done. Now, this is the ambient light. Very nice. And when I want to turn off the light, I just press that at the top. And so what I'm waiting for is for the alarm to come on at 2:10. It's currently 2:09. So if you will bear with me for a minute, wait for that to get to 2:10 for the alarm to sound. Now, there's one thing to note about the alarm. If I leave the alarm ringing, it will increase in volume as the alarm keeps on ringing. So this will be demonstrated in about a minute. So please bear with me until this gets to 2:10. So there's your alarm. It starts off with a very quiet sound that will increase. So there you go. Now, I can either turn the alarm off by pressing the alarm symbol, or I can snooze by pressing the top button here. So that gets me to snooze. If I wanted to turn it off, I would just press the alarm symbol right there. So I hope this gives you an idea of how this white noise machine works. The manual is excellent at telling me exactly how to use this machine. I hope this gives you an idea. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.